Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you are new here, my name is Patricia and welcome or welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm coming to you guys very barefaced and basic because this is not going to be a long one. I wanted to share with you guys a couple of new items that I picked up from a brand that is new to me, Schutz. So Schutz, not sure, but you guys know by the title and everything, the company that I'm speaking about. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the brand, do a little unboxing, show you what I got, give you my overall impressions. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Based off a little Google of the brand, this is a footwear brand that was started in Brazil by designer Alexander Berman. He seems to potentially also have other um, lines or brands, but I have been seeing this brand a lot more recently this year as it relates to boots. I've seen a lot of people with these boots, and I had personally never heard of the brand. So I wanted to kind of give it a little look, see what they had on the website, and also place an order. So I actually decided to take a look at the brand on Cyber Monday. So there seemed to be a lot of deals going on. So many great options, but unfortunately, I guess I was just kind of late to the game during the sale season. Probably should have took a look on Black Friday because a lot of sizes were sold out in a lot of the items that I was looking at. But I was able to come across two pairs of shoes that I thought I would really enjoy and, could add to my wardrobe and my, something that I don't have, because I don't just want to be purchasing for no reason or purchasing without purpose or intention. So either way, I found two items. I ultimately ended up picking up the Viola Crocodile Embossed Leather Flat. It's essentially a loafer shoe in the color Eggshell. And I also picked up the Ashley Up. I have my notes here, that's why I'm looking down, guys. I picked up the Ashley Up Soft Napa Boot in the color Bear, which is brown. And let's get into the unboxing, and then I'll give my impressions. As far as my impressions, I will just say, well, let me start on a positive note. Shipping was super fast. So fast. I ordered it on Monday, as I said, it came by Wednesday. I was like, oh shoot, that was like ridiculous. So very fast, that was great. I live in New York City. I don't know if that matters. The packaging was not good. I was actually surprised. I mean, I'm trying to think about it, but normally when I order shoes, I don't really feel like they come in like a plastic shipping bag, which is how these shoes came. So it's two, as you guys will have seen in the unboxing footage, it's two shoe boxes in a plastic bag. So like one was like extremely dented in, ripped by the time it got to me. It was raining, the bag was kind of wet, like it was just not good packaging. And then the pair of loafers, when I opened up the box, which was actually still kind of intact, it looked like they had been tried on. Like I might have gotten a pair of loafers that had been returned, maybe because they didn't fit or anything like that. They didn't appear to be worn, but like the paper and stuff was kind of out of the shoe. And there was like a hair at the bottom of the shoe. Like they weren't dirty. Like I don't think that they had been worn, but they definitely not like fresh, brand new. Like they definitely been tried on or something. So I don't like that. But nonetheless, tried on the pieces. I'm going to keep both pairs of shoes. I think I can't recall if one of them, for some reason in my mind, one of them was final sale and the other one wasn't. But I can't remember which one was what. But regardless, I'm keeping both of them. The loafers, I do like. I like the color. I like the texture. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of them. They seem comfortable, but I haven't worn either of the pairs of shoes out just yet. So maybe I'll have to follow back up with you guys in the comments or something, or make a note about that. The brown boots. So the boots are, I believe, supposed to be kind of this very soft, well, they're called like soft leather, soft Napa leather, and they are soft. I mean, it gives a very like worn, vintagey look. Like that's what the boot, I guess, kind of gives off, or is how it's supposed to be, and it has like a slouch to it. I like the style. You know, they're not like super delicate seeming. So, you know, I feel comfortable wearing them. Very comfortable heel height. So I know that I'll be able to keep them on for a while without feeling uncomfortable. I did order half a size up, which is what I normally do in boots because I like to wear thick socks. And it seemed to fit perfectly that way. So that's just the note. The calf fit great. So if you have I feel like I have a little bit of a thicker calf. So if you have a thick calf, you know, you can know that that fits great. I usually always look at the shaft circumference before purchasing boots because I didn't, and at some point in time, I guess when my calves decided to get bigger, I wasn't looking at that, and then I would get boots and I'd be like, oh my gosh, they don't fit. So now I'm aware of that and I take a look at it, and they seem to have, on the website when I was just looking through the different pairs of shoes and boots specifically, they seem to have good calf sizes, which I really like. Would I order again from the brand? I think I will because I like so many of the styles on the website. Like I love a lot of the shoes. The shoes are sold at other places. I know they're sold at Nordstrom. If I were to pick up another pair, I would more likely than not buy them at Nordstrom or some other reseller because I think I'll just have a better shopping experience that way because I order a lot of things from Nordstrom, so I know how things tend to come. Like I said, I didn't really care for the packaging or the items, like kind of how they were thrown together and shipped to me. But otherwise, I'm happy with my purchases. And that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. If you're interested in more videos from moi, please consider subscribing and joining our growing YouTube family. I got a lot more coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Click subscribe, join, so that you're around when the good stuff drops. And there's some good stuff already there too, so you can go back and check that out as well, if you know what I'm saying. And last but not least, if you have any questions about anything that went down in today's video, please go ahead and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Also, guys, let me know if you've shopped Schutz before and ordered directly from their website, how your overall shopping experience and impression of the brand was. I'm very curious. All right, guys. Bye.